Hello and welcome to MC Academy. This is Zahra and today we're going to be making an easy origami box. So let's get started. The dimensions of this paper are here and here. So first we're going to be folding the piece of paper like this. And then we're going to be folding the piece of paper like this. After that, unfold the piece of paper and fold all 4 of these into the center. And then take half of this and fold it in the center. And repeat that same step with the other side. And then unfold it and repeat that same step with the other side. Like this. And then unfold this and open these sides. Like this. And then fold like this and do that same thing with the other side. And then do this and it should kind of form like a box. And then put these flaps inside like this. And there you go. You made a box. You can put anything in these little boxes, like jewelry. So I have some of these earrings and you can put them like this. And there you go. You made a box. Okay guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family.